What is up, guys? The Grand Theft Master 105 here, and welcome back to GTA 5, where today we're going to go find the hidden tractor. So, I know you guys apparently think that all you're able to do is get the tractor from doing all the Kiflam missions. Not true, exactly. You can actually find it hidden. So, let me set a waypoint to what I think is the entrance location to that spot, and let's go. Okay, turn up the volume here. We need volume. So let's go. Okay. Enjoy the ride. I'll make sure to send some flowers. Oh crap! RV! Nah. Anyway. Crap, another RV. What'd you just call me? Call me that again and I'll come back over there and destroy that dang crappy vehicle of yours. Dang you. Dang it, my camera is cutting off like crazy this time. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is it. So let's just keep on going down through here. And now, you don't go this way. You actually turn around here, go across the bridge. Then, you're right here at this house. Hidden right here in this bush, if you can see it, is the tractor. And guess what? It's drivable. Although it sounds pretty trashy, just let you listen to it here. Yeah, I'll just turn it up a bit more. I don't know about you guys, but it sounds like garbage. I'm just a random farmer, don't mind me. Hey, I wonder what happens if we put it in cinematic camera. This is cringy. Okay. How you like being a farmer, Jason? Okay, wow. Don't mind me, I'm just a... Hey! What the heck? What is even cooler is that this tractor is one of the many... is actually a big vehicle, but it's compatible with a sawed-off shotgun. This is the red... Hey, whoa! Someone wants to fight. Well, let's give them a fight. Come on, Jason. Oh, that's what you get. You get taken down.
Let's do this.
Don't ever mess with the guy on the small tractor. We bad. We bad. This is the redneck way to hunt. Hey, you know what? I've actually been thinking recently, before this video is over, I want you to tell me down in the comments. I've been thinking recently maybe we should do a comparison video on GTA 5. Like normal ways to do stuff, but then like different ways to do stuff. Mainly redneck ways to do stuff. If you guys would like to see those videos, then tell me in the comments below and I will gladly do them. Oh, right here. Here it comes. The redneck way to hunt. Nah! Redneck! What the heck? Oh, come on. Hit this dang camera. Okay. What? Oh crap, it's the cops. What the heck? Make me! Crap. Okay, I'll just be backing up now. This is the redneck way to do stuff, see? The redneck way to lose the cops. Ah, come on. Well, we're dead. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Be a master, stay a master, and I'll see you guys next time. Good night, everybody!